In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an email template in Canva and send it over to Mailchimp the easy way. This is a super useful workflow if you want to design a beautiful newsletter, promotional email, announcement, or branded campaign in Canva. Then move it into Mailchimp to actually send to your audience. If you've ever wanted your emails to look more professional without spending hours learning complicated design tools, this tutorial is for you. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Canva in your browser. Once you're on the home page, click on the search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find the right design type instead of scrolling through random templates. In the search bar, type email and press enter. Canva will load a bunch of email and newsletter style templates that are already formatted for this kind of project. Now take a moment to browse the options. You want to choose a template that fits the style of your brand or message. It could be clean and minimal, colorful and bold, or something more corporate depending on what you're creating. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open it. This will take you into the editor where you can start customizing the design. Inside the editor, click on Customize this template. That opens the template in editable mode so you can change the text, images, colors, and layout. This is the part where you make it yours. Update the headline so it matches your email purpose. Replace any placeholder copy with your own message and adjust the body text so it sounds natural and clear. If the template includes images or graphics, swap those out for your own visuals if needed. You can also adjust fonts, spacing, and brand colors so the email matches the rest of your content. The goal here is to make the email look polished and consistent before exporting it to Mailchimp. Take your time with this step, because the better your Canva design looks, the better your final email campaign will feel to your audience. Once your email design is ready, click on Share in the top corner. After that, click the three dots or See All option to reveal more sharing tools. This is where Canva gives you different export and publishing options, including integrations with other platforms. If Mailchimp asks you to connect your account, go ahead and sign in and allow the connection. This is necessary so Canva can send your design directly into your Mailchimp account. After the account connection is set up, click on Mailchimp. Then choose Share to Mailchimp. Canva will prepare the design and hand it off to Mailchimp, so you can continue the email workflow there. Next, click Continue in Mailchimp when prompted. This opens the design inside Mailchimp, where it becomes part of your email campaign or email content workflow. Now that you're in Mailchimp, review the imported design carefully. Check that the text is readable, the images display properly, and the layout looks the way you want it to. If anything needs a quick adjustment, this is the time to make it. When everything looks good, click Send to share, or continue towards sending your email campaign. From here, you can finish setting up the audience, subject line, and delivery details inside Mailchimp. And that's it. You've now created an email template in Canva and moved it into Mailchimp so you can share it with your audience. This is a really efficient workflow for anyone who wants fast, professional-looking email design without starting from scratch every time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.